This is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog which is actually a haul video. So let's get started. So I recently uploaded a video which was a vlog which was a shopping video where I went to Style Bazaar and then I went to Phoenix Mall for some last minute Diwali shopping. Well, that was not just my last minute shopping. Basically, I recently did a video for Marina Mall. I had promoted Marina Mall on my Instagram page. So the Marina Mall promotion was basically a paid collaboration. So in return of the promotion, they had given me some cash and also some vouchers which I had to redeem either from Lifestyle or from Home Center. So that's what this shopping is all about. Yes, other than that, we did a little bit of shopping here and there in Phoenix Mall. So that is what this haul is all about. So let's get started. So the first place I went was the Style Bazaar, which was happening at Hyatt. And so I will show you the product that I got from Style Bazaar, which are these jutis. You may call it jutis or mojeries. And these are a little bit with heel. These are not flat. Basically, this is with a very little heel, and it has some detailing, some sequins work and golden detailing, which is very good. And it also has elastic, you know, this that gives you a good grip to your leg while walking. This has support that way. So these are one pair of one mojery that I picked from Style Bazaar, and this was from a stall called Rivas. They also have their Instagram page, so you may check them out. So yes, this was from Rivas, and the price of this is actually 1500, but after discount, after a lot of negotiation, they gave me in 1400. So yes, that was the 100 rupees discount that I received. So yes, this was my first purchase and I totally loved it. So this is all I bought from Style Bazaar. So now let's move on to the Phoenix Mall haul. So in Phoenix, the first place we visited was Lifestyle, and the only product that I have to show is mask from Ginger, and it's a pair of mask which is for $2.99. That's because my daughter doesn't use the N95 mask. She prefers the cotton fabric masks, so which is why we bought these, and they are very good with adjustable elastic. You can adjust the elastic. So yes, these are the two masks, one in black and one in pink, and they are very comfortable. I felt they're a little pricey, but I think it's fine for the quality. So yes, other than this, the products that we picked from Lifestyle were socks. We picked socks for Akriti, my children, and Vipul, and they are already in use, so I couldn't include them that in this vlog. So this is all about Lifestyle. Now let's move on to the other purchase. So after Lifestyle, we went to Home Center, and the first purchase I did are these mason jar candles. I have done a haul video before Home Center and Westside haul video where I showed these mason jar candle. The fragrance that I picked the other day was lemongrass, and this time I picked cranberry one and lavender. I just love them. But when I picked them from Express Avenue, there were discounts going on, but here in Phoenix there were no discounts. So the price of this is $149 each. But they are good. They're really good. So yes, moving on to the next purchase, which is again from Home Center, which are glasses. I picked these glasses which are narrow from the bottom and wide from the top, as in it's more or less like beer glass, and these are from Ocean, pair of 6. So yes, this is what I picked, and they are good. There were no offers going on, so this costed me around close to 650. Yeah, a pair of 6 of Ocean glasses, beer glasses, costed me around 650. So this was my second purchase. One thing that I would like to tell you all is, usually in Home Center during Diwali time, they always have some offers going on, especially in Ocean products, Ocean glasses or glass jars, etc. But this time there are no offers, friends, no offers, no discount on any of the product. I think they are making up for the last year's losses they made during COVID lockdown. So yeah, with that let's move on to the next purchase, which are also glasses, and these are smaller ones, and these are from Ranveer Brar collection, and they are very affordable and very good quality ones. I have been using Ranveer Brar's desert bowl, and I've been using them from 2 to 3 years, and they're doing very well. I mean, maintenance wise and quality wise, I have no issues with them. So let me open and show you. So these are those cutting chai wala kind of glasses. These are again set of 6, and the price of this is $2.99. Can you believe? Set of 6 glasses in just $2.99, which is very good. So yeah, this was the other purchase. Yeah, after that let's move on to the other purchase, which is this. This is basically a dish drying mat, and I wanted to buy this from a very long time, especially for my crockery that I use for my Instagram page, which I wash and keep it separately for drying. So for those I needed a mat like this. So this is quite big, sufficient enough to wash small pile of dishes, especially the crockeries. So yeah, and it is quite thick, quite soft, and it absorbs a lot of water. So yes, as I said, they are high absorbent and made with microfiber. And the cost of this is it is very cheap, friends. It is just $149. Believe me, this is a must-have product in every kitchen, and in $149 it is really very affordable. So yeah, this was my other purchase. So the next product that I got is for my cleaning purpose. So this is what I got. It is a duster, and it is made of microfiber, and this is removable. The best part is that this is removable. You can remove, wash it and fix it back, and this is high quality plastic, and yeah, that's it. It's very convenient to use this for your dusting purpose, especially the doors and windows, etc. And the price of this is $2.99, which is again, and this was the only color available. I asked them if I can get another color. They said no. Even in this drying mat, dish drying mat, they had no other color. These were the colors available. Whereas I had seen this earlier in red color. I wanted that, but this time they said these are the colors available. So moving on to another purchase, which is a very cute home decor stuff, and I totally love this. This is a ceramic swan, a small one. It is basically a tea light holder, and it is white in color, but it has yellow rim and here as well, and it looks very cute. The price of this is $3.99. I don't know if it is expensive or not, but if you actually go and visit the place and if you see this, you will find it totally worth, because it looks very classy and very beautiful. So yeah, there were other stuff as well. There were tortoise as well, but I like the swan, so I picked this. Very cute, isn't it? Oh, I'm so sorry guys, I mentioned yellow, but it's not yellow, it's actually golden. I don't know why I said yellow. It actually has golden rim here, and golden detailing here as well, and it looks very pretty. So I love this purchase. So moving on to our other purchase, which is also a home decor stuff, and which is this. It is a temple laltan, and let me open and show you guys. So yeah, this is how it looks, golden color. There were other colors as well. There were red, and there were crackle ones as well, but I personally like this one in golden. And it is totally up to you whether you want to use it in your temple to keep your diyas, or you want to use it as a decor and keep candles in, or just use it as a decor and keep string light in it. That's totally up to you. Even I don't know how am I going to use it. I liked it and I found it worth, so I got this. And yes, so this is my other purchase, and you may open it up like this. You can remove the glass, keep whatever you want, and then fix it back. That's it. And you can hang it somewhere else as well. If you're going to keep string lights in it or candles, you can hang it somewhere as well. So yeah, this is it, and the price of this is $3.99, which is totally worth it. Yes, so this is it. So the next purchase from Home Center are candles, and this time a little different one. So these are basically mitti ke diyas with some gotapatti lace and chunri ka kapda that is draped on the stuck on the diyas, mitti ke diyas, and then it has candles. So this is a set of 6 and the price is $2.99, but I don't think they are fragrance, they have any fragrance. Very mild fragrance, they're not very strong. So I got them to place in and around the rangoli that we make for Diwali. So yeah, this is a set of 6, as I said, for $2.99. So the last purchase from Home Center are these popsicle molds. These are a set of 8 and this is a steal, believe me. So the price of this is $2.49, but I got them only in 24 rupees. Yes, there are offers going on these popsicle molds. So $2.49 ka you are getting it in just 24 rupees, set of 8, and good quality plastic. So yes friends, with this the Home Center haul as well comes to an end. Moving on to the other purchase, which is from Marks and Spencer. So I got these deodorants for my son who is growing up and who is a tween, and these are his first deodorants. He's never used them before. So since he's growing up, I thought I will get them good ones, and these are from Marks and Spencer's, and they smell amazing, trust me. And I got them as a gift from Marks and Spencer's from the voucher that I redeemed. But otherwise the price of each is $2.99. So my next purchase is from a brand which is almost everyone's favorite, and yes, it is Zara. And the first thing that I got from Zara is this pant, this black jegging, which has a very broad elastic, so that kind of gives you a very slimmer look. So which is why to be honest, that is the only reason I wanted this, because otherwise you don't get these of this good quality in any other brand. I have tried these kind of leggings or jeggings from Only, but the quality wise I would always say Zara is much better. And unfortunately they never have discount offers on these pants, so whenever we need to buy this, it is on full price. So I got this one for me, which is in large size, and the price of this is $1,790. That's the price, and they are super good, very comfortable, and gives you a very slimmer look. So yes, that was it. And with that I got I love animal prints. I already have a dress of animal print. I have a gown and Zara has amazing animal print collection, trust me. The next purchase is this t-shirt from Zara, and they also had another color in this, but I kind of didn't like that, so I picked this, and this was quite affordable, friends. The price of this is just $4.90. Animal print, classy looking t-shirt with amazing fabric in just $4.90 is again a steal. So yes, this was the purchase for me. And and the last purchase that we did is for Vipul, which happened to be, we were going just to have chai. We were tired roaming around the mall and we wanted to have chai, and we just saw a store which is Hunter's Bay. Yeah, which is Hunter's Bay, which happens to be a UK based brand, and they were having some amazing offers going on. So we picked these shoes for Vipul, casual shoes, and they're very comfortable. He said they are very comfortable, and look wise also we really like them. So we picked this, and the offer was the price of this is just $1499, but there were offers going on, so we got this in just $999. So yes, that's all, friends. With this the whole video comes to an end. I hope you liked and liked watching it, and if so, please comment and let me know which is the product that you like the most, and did you really find Home Center stuff affordable or not. Do comment and let me know, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and click on the bell icon, because only then YouTube will notify you for all my upcoming videos. And yes, follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Matt and Ladle is my account. So that's all for this video, friends. See you again on a new day with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.